time for another Costco shop. Okay, not a high protein item, but something that you definitely need. The Ninja Creamy for only $160, limit of 5. Crazy. Let's look at some snacks. I am actually trying this. These are the Foods coconut clusters, 500 grams for $10.99. The macros are not bad, to be honest. So 30 grams, 170 calories, 13 fat, 11 carb, 4 protein. So it's pretty well balanced. The fat's probably coming from like a lot of the seeds and stuff. But if you want like a treat, this is not bad. I'm trying it now. It tastes really good, really coconutty. Also, if you're allergic to nuts and stuff, a really good alternative. Something else that you might like, I don't personally like jerky, but you can get jerky here, and usually the macros are okay. It's 28 grams, 90 calories, 2 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs, 7 grams of protein. Like, it's not bad. It's pretty good, but like, I personally don't like jerky myself, but it's $16.99 for 410 grams. And they have like a lot of varieties of these. Like this one, 30 grams, 80 calories, 1.5 fat, 6 carb, 11 grams of protein. These are the teriyaki beef jerky, $14.99. And then I see a lot of people eating this. This I would eat. Pure protein variety snack, $24.99. Ugh, of course the one I like is like extra expensive. But 28 grams, 120 calories, 9 grams of fat. It's a lot higher in fat. 0 carb, 9 grams of protein. So again, not bad. And then they have these 2 varieties too, like the Kirkland brand. I guess just the Kirkland brand. I don't see the other brand here. But in case you are wondering, these steak strips are 30 grams, 60 cal, 1 fat, 5 carb, 9 protein. So pretty good. Again, I've never tried these before, but they are supposed to be, good. Okay, I personally love this brand, the Costco brand, and they usually have like a coconut one, but the carbs on this, no, not the carbs, like the calories on this is not bad. So 1 cup, 80 calories, 7 fat, 6 carb, and 1 protein. Like for a chocolate, it is not bad. And this is a new flavor. I'm going to grab a bag and try it. And it was $13.99 for this. They don't have the like Costco brand one right now, but these Unreal coconut minis, they're very similar in they're very similar in macros. 45 grams, 210 calories, 15 fat, 24 carb, and 2 protein. When you divide it and you break it up, it's about the same macros as the Costco brand. And if you want to treat these Aussie bites, they're pretty good. It kind of tastes like a cake. 130 calories for 1 piece, which is 26 grams, 7 fat, 15 carb, and 2 grams of protein. You could easily sneak this into your macros. And it's a lot of just like seeds and stuff, which is good for you. These chicken sausages are on sale. Let's see how the macros are. 160 calories, 10 fat, 2 carb, 16 protein. Not bad. I showed this in my last video, the Baby Bell Lights. They are still on sale, $13.49, and I always buy these. These are so good and so good for protein. I'll show you guys. 50 calories, 3 grams of fat, 0 carb, 5 grams of protein. Amazing macros. Again, if you like these like meat stick kind of things, lean turkey pepperoni, $18.99. 50 calories, 3 grams of fat, 1 carb, 6 grams of protein. That's pretty good. I'm seeing a lot of people buy this. These are the chicken breast bites. They come like individually wrapped, and it's 150 calories, 4 grams of fat, 24 grams of protein. That's pretty good. It's like a snack on the go. Not a snack, but again, I'm going to talk about this. The egg whites, it's just a really unbeatable price. I'm going to get this. This you can't beat. Skinny Pop popcorn, $5.99 for this huge bag. These are the macros. You can get 50 grams for 280 calories, 18 fat, 27 carb, 4 grams of protein. Lesser Evil, I think, has better macros than this, but for $5.99, it's pretty good. They also used to sell like Parmesan crisps, but they no longer have them. So obviously I talked about it last time, but the 0% Greek yogurt, you just cannot beat the prices here. I'm gonna pick this up. I eat this as a meal. I eat this as a snack all the time. It's just very high protein. And here's the macros: 175 grams, 100 calories, 0 fat, 6 carbs, 17 grams of protein. If you're looking for a sweet treat, $11.99 for these organic fudge bars. 90 calories, 1.5 fat, 19 grams of carb, and 3 grams of protein. You could just do a creamy and it would be so much better for you, but in a pinch, this would definitely satisfy your sweet tooth. I buy these a lot too, and a lot of times they go on sale. The organic dates, I love eating these. Again, macros are not great, but we're talking about snacks here. So 40 grams, 110 calories, 0.2 grams of fat, 30 grams of carb, 1 gram of protein. Like, these are so delicious. And if you want to do like baked caramel or make your own like healthy version of a Snickers, this as a base with some walnuts stuffed inside and then drizzled with like chocolate, so good. These individual Laughing Cows, they are really good as well. 30 calories for one portion, 2 grams of fat, 1 gram of carb, 2 grams of protein. It's like a good little cream cheese spread. It's obviously not super high in protein, but like macro wise, it's not bad. Don't remember if I talked about this last time. Cottage cheese is really nice and high in protein. I don't like the 2% milk fat one because I like to save my fats. So I usually go and buy a 0% or like a 1%, but $6.49. If you blend this stuff and then you put pudding mix and you make a parfait, oh my God, it is so good. So 100 calories for 125 grams, 2.5 grams of fat. So it's not even that much fat, 7 grams of carb and 14 grams of protein. Macros on the fat-free versions are definitely better, but if you aren't that strict on your macros, like, this is pretty good. And if you follow me on TikTok, I will put a recipe on how I make this into like a parfait. It is so delicious. If you like banana pudding, like, you will love my parfait. Okay, so the light cream cheese is on sale. The regular cream cheese is also on sale, $9.99. Let me show you guys the macros. 2 tablespoons, so 30 grams, 60 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of carb, 3 grams of protein. Not bad if you're gonna put this on like a bagel or something. The Laughing Cow is arguably like a little bit better in macros, but like, look how much you get, 2-pack. My friend actually loves these, and when you see these things, like, I just have to show you, you could eat it as a snack. 180 calories, 8 grams of fat, 3 grams of carb, and 25 grams of protein. This is at Connie's Kitchen, fully cooked chicken burgers. Like, my friend loves these, and they do taste pretty good. Okay, not a snack, but very essential to your poop health. $11.49 for chia seeds. I buy these, I add them into my shakes, I add them into my yogurt. 1.5 tablespoons, so 15 grams, 70 calories, 4.5 fat, 6 grams of carb, 2 grams of protein. What you want is the fiber, because you don't eat much fiber when you're eating high protein. It gets left behind all the time, so I always try to get at least 30 grams of fiber a day. 5 grams right here. Okay, I'm personally not a tinned fish girl, but these snack kits have insane macros, and you can get it here for so cheap. It is the albacore tuna snack kits by Oceans, $12.99 for 6 snack kits. So you can just take this on the go because it already has crackers in it. But look at the macros. 1 serving, 150 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 16 grams of carb. That's only coming from the crackers. I think they come with like rice crackers or something, and then 15 grams of protein. Listen, I tried to eat this. I tried to love it. It is not for me. I like tuna. I just do not like tinned tuna, but this has insane macros, like really, really good snack. These Nature Garden strawberry yogis, they have really good macros as well. 80 calories for the 20 gram bag, 2.5 grams of fat, 15 carb, 1 protein. Not a bad snack. And you're getting like 2 billion probiotic cultures, it says, so a good little treat. My creme de la creme snack, a vanilla shake from Fairlife. These macros are insane. Look, 150 calories, 2.5 fat, 3 grams of carb, 30 grams of protein, and it's just milk. It is just milk. Y'all, that was it for my Costco high protein, or not even high protein because not everything was high protein, but like macro friendly shop with me for snacks. I hope you guys enjoyed. Currently at Rona, and I'm looking at plants now. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram _Hello Harley. Follow me on TikTok at Hello Harley. I've been posting on both of those platforms extremely often these days. A lot of content on TikTok, a lot of food content, and you guys know I'm the OG foodie, so definitely give me a follow there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.